Map, filter and reduce. So first of all, I will explain what is map. So uh, map. First, I will explain what is map. So map creates a new array by applying a function to each element of the original array. Okay. So map creates a new array. Okay. So and then next question is like why we use map. So we use map when we want to transform data without modifying the original array. That time we can use map. Why I explain? Why? Because when we want to transform data without modifying the original original array. Original array. Yes. So that's why we use map. So now I'll explain how we can use map using in coding. Online JS compiler. Yeah, let's suppose we have one array, const number, and in that array the number is like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, and after that we we need to like double this array, const led double this array. So we can write this code like that: numbers dot map num and then arrow function and num into multiply 2 and then console dot log doubled. So now output we will get double array like 2 4 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, like 1 into 2 like 2, and 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6, and 4 into 2 8. So now we will get 2 4 6 8. See, 2 4 6 8. So that is the you that's how we can use map. Okay, so the next is filter. Filter. So filter is like filter creates a new array with element that pass a condition. Filter creates a new array with elements that pass a condition. Okay. So why we use filter? Like if like in a filter when we want to select certain element from an array based on a condition, that time we used filter. So why? When we want when we want to select certain elements from from an array based on a condition. So we used filter. Now I will explain how we can use filter. This is the example of map. Now I'll explain filter example. Filter. So in that filter, like suppose we have one array same as like const number. In that 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, in that we need to find the even number in that array. So in that we use filter const even equal to number dot filter, and then pass arrow function and num modulus 2 equal to 0, and then console dot log even. So now we will get only even numbers, like in that array only even numbers like 2 and 4. So now we will get 2 and 4 in that array. See, 2 and 4. So that's how like we used to filter. After that I'll explain reduce. So what is reduce? The reduce is applies a function to an array to reduce to it to a single value. Example like sum, product, object, like that. We can get only single value in that reduce. Reduce it to a single value. Okay, single value. Okay. So the next is like why we use reduce. Why we use. So first use reduce for aggregation for accumulation task. Okay. So aggregation and accumulation task. So aggregation meaning is like combining multiple values into one. Okay, like summarizing a group data. Okay, and the accumulation is meaning to like step by step building or collection or result, could be a number, object, or array. So that is the meaning of aggregation and accumulation. So use reduce for aggregation and accumulation. So now I we explain how we can use reduce. This is a filter example now. Reduce. So in that reduce, suppose const number equal to in array 1 2 3 4 5. So in that, like I write the code for reduce. So in that const number 1 2 3 4 5, and in that const number dot reduce like accumulator and current, like accumulator plus current. It means it will give a sum of these numbers. See.
like in 15, we got 15. So that is the use of reduce. Okay, so these are the map filter and reduce. Thank you.